this castle of sand.
Guys, this place is incredible.
Yeah, I'm very impressed.
Yeah, we were
All he wants is love. All he wants is pets.
I never see more satisfied face.
hope that we could.
And this flying pigeon.
What is happening, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
LA Live here, guys.
Today we are in the Paradise Farm
Park.
Park.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're in Paradise Park Farm, and it was about 25 minutes drive from our house.
And we decide, today is a Saturday, we decide to have a relaxed, nice video for you, just a nice vlog, nice inspiration what to do in Koh Samui.
We're just standing outside of it, guys, in the bike area here. As you can see, we have our bike parked.
The entrance is 400 baht
400
per
baht.
adult, so 800
together for both of us. So yeah, we will show you when we get inside.
But now when I fall and when I cry, wish that to pick me up. When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in.
Wow. They hurting you?
Yeah.
They hurting you? It hurt you?
Yeah, a little bit, because when they all start to bite, you know, it hurts a little bit. Yeah. So guys, we made it. I gotta be very careful because they all jumping on me. We got some food. We already used one packet.
That's included in
got,
price.
Yeah, 2 packets of food for the pigeons. That's included in the price.
You spotted that they are colorful. They painted. This is the fact what some people might say, like, oh my god, that's a torture of animals that they are painted. It's supposed to be naturally white, obviously, but like I think it's beautiful. They look beautiful, and I don't think so it's hurting them to be painted.
No,
like,
it's.
you know,
I think it's
they're
from.
so beautiful.
One of the taxi driver when we came here was pretty much telling us that when they're babies, they just like put ink on their feathers. So then when the feathers grow, it just turns into, you know, a colorful bird basically. So guys, Linda's gonna feed some of the birdies.
Here you see, you get this stuff.
Some bird food. Linda's afraid of the birds now.
I'm not afraid. Oh, so pretty how they gently eat.
Well, they open the seeds.
Better than you.
Yeah.
Armand,
Guys,
this
if
is
you
like
know me,
Armand's.
I absolutely love sunflower seeds, and like I didn't know that they actually open the sunflower seeds. Look, they open it
so
and
well.
take the seed out.
So well. They let you in.
Guys, this is incredible because of course most places that you go and you visit birds, they would never let you in. Like in Europe, they would never let you inside. So it's actually pretty cool that here in Thailand, actually the birds are not aggressive. You get to go in, you feed them, they're on your hands. That's pretty cool.
So look at these guys. Oh, he will bite you. No. Oh, he's so beautiful, right? He's very beautiful.
Yeah.
He's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to go inside in this
We need the
parrot.
food basically, yeah.
Yeah?
We want to go inside these parrots.
Armand is scared.
A little bit.
Because they're
They're
big.
big, because they're big ones, you know. I mean, their beaks are so sharp.
You see, they let you in. Oh, this one is beautiful.
Wow.
Turn.
Kapunka. Wow.
This the boy like lady, boy.
It's
Boy.
a boy.
Boy like lady.
Amazing. Want some food?
Oh, wow.
How amazing these ones are.
Wow.
And they completely they mind in their own business.
Wow, this one is incredible. He's huge.
Hello. This guy
This one is the obsessed
This
guy
guy
with
just
me.
wants some actually affection. He doesn't want any food.
But he
guys.
is in love with me.
He just wants, in general, he seems like a very
Very needy,
very needy
very
bird,
like
yeah.
baby. Am I still like here behind the fence, like in a prison?
beautiful birdie.
You are like in prison, Armand, now.
This is the one that's, out of all the birds here, this is the one you're not allowed to go in. Both sides, because I checked this side also, while Linda was talking to some Slovakian people, she met some Slovakian people here. All the sides, both sides of the gates are locked. And this guy is so needy. This bird is so needy. Does he look dangerous to you? surely those are dangerous to me. Because he would try to, I mean, he actually did try to bite me once. But
And then he understood how loving you are.
exactly. I think he actually bit me because I wasn't giving him love. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. I love this. I love this. Look, you can even pet his chest.
Aww.
Well,
Guys, and here you have incredible area for children's play, and you can get some, I guess, food and drinks. And here is also some birds inside to this. You see me and the birds inside because it's glassy, and yeah, incredible. And the pigeons are absolutely everywhere, so you see them colorful and beautiful views from here as well. Guys, this place is incredible.
yeah, I'm very impressed already. The fact that they let you in and feed the birds, for me, that's amazing. Like, that big bird, the last one, where you weren't even allowed to go in, you see how
I was
needy-
chatting with people, so
Yeah, but you seen how needy that guy was?
very needy.
Like,
He was
and
falling
when you
asleep.
stop petting him, he start making noise. Yeah, these views are amazing.
Fun
here.
views there.
We're gonna get the drone out for you later, guys.
Hopefully they let us. I don't know. Hopefully, yeah. So here is the area that you can literally relax. So it's a 3-point. Look at the views here. Look at these views. Park Farm, Paradise Park Farm. This is cute sitting areas here that you can sit here.
It's someone out there listening. It's someone out there listening. It's someone out there listening.
Basically, you can get a swim in this incredible swimming pool.
How would you rate this place out of 10 so far?
Beautiful. Like 10. Like beautiful.
Yeah.
Really like, you just come here, you enjoy relaxing time. If you don't want to see animals, just lie down beside the pool. Amazing pool. They said actually, because I speak to Slovakian people, they said like, oh, let's swim now, like it's amazing weather, because like they said that when it's sun, it's too hot. Like this is perfect weather for like refreshing, but I don't know if Armandas wants to
We'll see.
swim.
We'll see.
And look at
But
this
we're
view.
very high up,
Look
guys.
at this view.
Savadi.
Savadi.
Hello. Hello. No, you're so beautiful, goat. Oh yes, you're so beautiful, goat.
She's perfection. She's absolutely perfection. Armo, be careful. Oh, she's scared. Wow, look at these guys. Literally, this Bambi is not scared. It's getting from Armando's foot. Oh my god, so sweet. Hear all these noises here, the animals' noises. Pickup guy, this one. Very sweet. Aww.
Hello. Hello, Savadi. These are so welcoming animals.
Look, guys, look at
I
it.
never met.
Ah.
He's hitting. No, don't. I don't want you to lick my fingers, bro.
No.
I want to pet you, like.
You see that on tongue? Armo. Armo.
Guys, you're horrible. You're a horrible guy.
But this one looks like Dalmatian. Dalmatian guy. Steve, this one. Look at this one, this is so cute. We've seen reviews that these animals look unhappy and they tortured, and I don't know, I don't see it that way. I really don't.
I think they look very
I think they are very happy. I think they are freedom here, actually. I know you will say like how they can be freedom, they are in these cages, but like that's normal. Like I don't know, I just don't feel that they are unhappy. They are very friendly.
Yeah. Listen.
Guys, we got pineapple shake. Armando's choose pineapple and I have a passion fruit. So we will enjoy now. This place is besides with Armando's, this is amazing for a whole day to chill in here, go pet the animals, go to the pool, go to grab some small meal, a nice juice like we got. In the morning we woke up and we didn't know which vlog we will make. We couldn't like decide, so I said, Armand, this is up to you. We can do this Paradise Park Farm, or we can go for other few options which we plan to record for you. And Armand was like, yeah, but I'm not sure, maybe it will be not so good, because like we was reading the reviews, you know, it's like 50-50, telling you 50% like really negative and positive. You can have a look yourself. So yeah, just cannot stop looking at around, because you see all islands, you see all amazing little islands around, and wow, it's just beauty. It's incredible.
So guys, our time at the
Paradise Park Farm.
Paradise Farm Park has come to an end.
Park Farm.
Park Farm. Farm
So
Park.
we was leaving now this place like last
We
week.
were, how long we, yeah, basically.
Long time we've been there,
hours?
3 hours maybe, but
3
because we
hours?
was really, as you see in the video, we checked the animals, but I really enjoyed. I love the most the colorful pigeons, and Armando, I think, really like the parrots.
I mean, I love this place, really. It's way above my expectation, guys. I highly recommend it to anyone. If you want to
Exactly.
come here, like even go for swimming, right? Even go for swimming with a beautiful view. There's a swimming pool here. Get
Amazing
some
view.
food, yeah.
Amazing
See
view.
some animals.
Recommended, and we're looking for the next episode.
Yeah, guys, so make sure you subscribe, guys. Show us some love. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. And we will see you in the next episode.
Yeah,
We
love you.
appreciate you. Bye-bye.
Bye.